So this is an example of the function Textread. It reads a text file that are formatted into columns of data. Each column of the data is the same data type. However, data from different columns can be different type. The function will store the content of each column in a separate array or cell array. Here is an example. The Textread will take the input, file name, and format. The file name can be a string or a character vector. The difference is that if you use a string, you need to use double quote, and if you use a character vector, it's a single quote. The format string or the format character vector should be the same as you used in the fprintf function. Mainly, you need to identify the type of data for each column. And the third input is optional. It means that the number of rows you're going to read. If you don't use the third input, then Textread will read the entire file. And the number of outputs must match the number of columns in the file. Here we're going to read a file called invoice.txt. And this is a file because it's a text file. I can open it and you can see the content here. There are 3 columns. The first column is a character vector and it's the name of the item. The second column is the price of the item, and the third column is the quantity of the item. Going back to the statement, and you can see I use the format string as %s for the character vector, %f for the unit price, and also %f for the quantity. And we have 3 columns, so we have 3 variables to hold these 3 columns of data. After we run this, you will see that the first column will be the name of the items, and it's a cell array. The second column will be the numerical values, and it's in a numerical array. Same as the third column. It is also a numerical array.